When you see an equal sign, it means that the number to the left of the sign has the same value as the number to the right of the sign. The greater than sign opens wide on the left side. It means that the left number is greater than the right. The less than sign opens wide on the right side. It means that the left number is less than the right. The not equal sign is an equal sign with a slash going through the lines. It means that the left number is not the same as the right.